Hi besties. So I am still running errands, but I had to come home for my once a day sweet potato. So many of you have been contacting me and being like, hey, my bestie potato queen is in town. Like, I saw a video today and Courtney, you bad girl, she is in LA. She's in Hollywood. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy. Listen, one thing I know to do is to mind my business, the business that pays. But I will tell you, I don't know why she's here, but oh, by the way, so this is the caramelized onion cheddar from Trader Joe's. I've never tried this. If you're looking for it, this is what it looks like. I've never tried it in the sweet potato. Anyway, back to my girl, Courtney. Listen, I don't know why she's here. Maybe it's vacation. Maybe she just wanted like a Calgon take me away. But I hope that she is doing all the TV interviews. I hope that something amazing is happening for her. I have never rooted so much for a stranger in my life. There's a plane landing in my house. What is happening? Anyway, I am so excited for her. And people are like, oh, are you meeting up with her? Y'all, she is a bestie in my head. I've never met her. I mean, you know, I would listen. I would go and I'm buying. But no. I don't even know why she's here. But I hope it's to film a movie, girl. Let's do a movie together. I hope that she's going on over to the Price is Right or everything that films here. I'm so excited. So I hope that she gets all the good food. There's so much good food here. I saw she got donuts, which is donuts. Yes, that's LA. She's got tacos. Listen, tacos are the thing. Okay, let me try this. Okay, guys. This is like one that I have not had before. The reason this is so unique, because you have the sweetness of the sweet potato, but then you have that caramelized onion cheddar. So it's like there's the sharpness of that, but then you know how the caramelized onion, when you caramelize onions, they get like a sweetness to them? That plays so well with the sweet potato, and it is like juicy, guys. I am just, oh my goodness. So the boys are going to a birthday dinner tonight, which means that when the kids are away, the dads will play. I think we are going to go out to dinner. I'm thinking pho. Well, pho. And then, which is, Courtney, pho. Have you ever had pho? That's such an LA thing. And then I think we're going to go see 28 Years Later. Oh, don't you know? 28 Days Later. Bones and Prophecies. What is it, babe? The Bone Temple. Or Marty Supreme. But we already got the temple. We have been trying to see it for a month. That Timothée Chalamet. But we already got tickets to the Temple of Bones. Either way, we're gonna do a little movie and dinner. Comment down below where we should eat. I think pho. Anyway, this is delicious. You guys, I love you so much. For those asking, no, I'm not seeing Courtney. Although I would pee my grown man pants to see her. And I hope you're having an amazing day. Tell me, what are you doing? What's up? I'll FaceTime you later. Bye. Update. I'm back. Sorry. I can never do this short form. I talk too much. But I just gave hubby a bite of my, he was like, oh my gosh, so flavorful. This is one of my favorites. Y'all. Okay, this is it. I promise I'm done. But and then I promise, I'm leaving. It's so hard to say goodbye. Ooh. leave me alone with this.